I have a bit of a sad story to tell you. It's about learning an important lesson the hard way. It's about always remembering to keep gates closed on horse farms all the time. My parents had a horse. She was 30 years old. She was in perfect condition. And one day somebody forgot to shut a gate. She got out on the road, she was hit by a car, and she had to be put down. So please, please, always promise me that every time you open a gate, you close the gate, and you say to yourself, open gate, close gate, so our friends don't get hurt outside of the gate.